Jelly Papi has finally come out to tell everyone that she is being abused in her own marriage. And guys, when I say my heart is broken, I mean that, because this is getting out of hands. When you look at women that are married, they actually discourage you to even get married, because it's very rare for you to sit down with a married woman and they actually encourages you to get married. And now I'm actually sitting here asking myself, what do men really want? Because she exposed also that she have been sending her money to the guy, to the husband, because the husband said we have to save for our future. And my advice to young ladies out there is that stay away from marriage. Stay away from getting married, because in most cases it will always end in tears. It will always end in tears. So stay away from marriage. Maybe you can do it later on when you are mature enough to understand things, such things of a husband telling you to say, bring your salary this side so that we can prepare for our own future. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? But when you are young, and I really cannot blame her for this one, because we all have been there until we learn the hard way. That's the thing. You will actually learn the hard way. That's what I'm saying. Stay away from marriage when you are still young. Deal with marriage later on when you are mature enough to understand certain things, to not allow anyone to manipulate you. Because yo guys, guning, like, this is bad. I even saw the pictures, guys. She's still very young, like she's just a young girl to experience all these things that has happened to her. And I thank God that she finally came out to say, you know what, enough is enough. And I wish she had come out earlier before all these things happened, but it's okay. She's out now and the guy has been exposed.